Good morning to all my students. Take out your new Radiant Readers Class 5 book. Today I will start the new chapter. The name of the chapter is Rip Van Winkle 1. Many years ago, in a little village in America, there lived a man called Rip Van Winkle. He was a gentle and kind, and the people of the village liked him because he was always willing to run errands and do little jobs for them. So many years ago there was a village in America, and there lived a man, and the name of that man is Rip Van Winkle. He was very gentle and kind by nature, and the people of the village liked the man. So because of his why people were liked him, because he was always willing to run errands. Errands means a short journey which is taken to deliver. Okay, and he was also willing to do jobs for them. Okay, any kinds of job work he was doing for them. The children shouted with glee when Rip came along, for they knew that he liked nothing better than to take part in their games. He made toys for them and taught them to fly kites and to play marbles. Often he would sit in the cool shade of a tree and tell them fine tales of American Indians and witches and fairies. So children were shouted with glee, means with joy, when Rip was coming, because they knew he liked nothing better than to take part in their games, because he was taking part in their games. Rip was taking part. He made toys for them. He was making toys for the children also, and taught them to fly kites, and he was teaching them how to fly the kites, and he was playing marbles also with them. Often he would sit in the cool. So many times he was sitting in a shade of a tree and tell them tales of means stories of American and Indians and witches also. Witches means a woman who have evil power, and fairies also. One thing made Rip unhappy, and that was work. Rip hated hard work. For that reason he was very poor, and his wife and children were always hungry and ill-clad. His little farm, too, was badly kept. Weeds grew all over it. The fences were broken down, and his cows were always going astray. So one thing, Rip was unhappy. Rip was unhappy because that was work. Means Rip was unhappy and he disliked the work. Means he hated the hard working. So for that reason he was very poor also, and his wife and children also were always being hungry. Okay, and they were always being ill also, and his little farm was badly. He was not keeping his farm properly. So the weeds was growing all over, and the fences which was there all over the farms also broken down, and the cows were going astray, means they were going away from their correct path. Okay, cows. Day after day, Rip's wife, Dame Van Winkle, would scold her husband. "Idle, good for nothing fellow," she would cry. "Why can't you do a little work on your farm instead of playing with the village children or sleeping?" So day after day, the name of his wife was Dame Van Winkle. She would scold her husband, saying, "Idle, good for nothing fellow." Means idle and is good for nothing. She would cry. She was crying also. "Why can't you do little work? Why you are not doing any work in your farm? You are only playing with the children or sleeping." Not a word would Rip say in reply. Instead, he would go to the village once more and wait there until his wife's temper had cooled again. So he would not say any in reply, and he would go to the village again, and he would came home when his wife's temper became cool. One day when everything had gone wrong, Dame Van Winkle scolded Rip more than she had ever done before. This time her husband did not go to the village as usual. So one day when everything went wrong, Dame Van Winkle scolded Rip. Okay, and she scolded more than any day before. And this time her husband did not went to the village as he was earlier going. So before closing the video, I would like to give you homework. Your homework will be, I have given these things, you will write these things in your book. Okay, and this also you will write in your copy. 3A you will write in your copy. Okay, that's all.